In example number 3, we have seen that it can be easily verified that P2R is a d-cyclic subspace of itself. T is a linear operator from vector space V to V itself, and T is to V, and V is t-cyclic subspace, t-cyclic subspace of itself. Then characteristic polynomial Ft and the minimal polynomial Pt, they have the same degree. They have the same degree of the t-invariant subspace, where we have defined if T is a linear operator from vector space V to V and X is a non-zero vector belonging to the vector space V, then we have defined W as the spanning set of X, T of X, T square X, T cube X, and so on. So we have seen, because this is the set X, Tx, T square X, but spanning set, linear span of any set is a subspace. We know that is always a subspace. Is always a subspace. So W is a subspace. So W is a subspace, but there is a one in chapter theorem chapter 5, theorem number 5.22 and page number 315, which says that if W is a t-cyclic subspace, if W is a t-cyclic subspace and the dimension of W is k, then then it has the basis, beta is the basis that is given by x, T of X, T square X, dimension k, then it will be T to the power k minus 1 of X, because it is k minus 1 element and this is 1. So it beta has k element. B part is that if a0x plus a1 T of X plus a k minus 1 T की power k minus 1 of X plus T की power k X is 0, T की power k of X is 0, then the characteristic polynomial of Tw can be written in the form of minus 1 to the power k a0 plus a1. We can replace capital T by small t here in this equation. So a0 plus a1 t plus a2 T की power 2 plus a k minus 1 T की power capital T, no sorry small t है, small t की power k minus का 1 plus T to the power k. That will be the characteristic polynomial. Example number 3, it says that it can be easily verified that the polynomial space P2R is d-cyclic subspace of itself. यानी कि d-cyclic subspace. In example number 3, d जो हमने define किया था, the operator we have defined P2R such that d of polynomial space P of X is P derivative X. Then we says that this is t-cyclic subspace, यानी कि d-cyclic subspace, because d is the operator. Then we claim that P2R is d-cyclic subspace of itself. It means there exists a vector. This implies there exists a non-zero element exists करेगा in this vector. Spanning set of this is the whole vector space. For example, we can take an element x square belonging to the vector space P2R such that and this will be V, because if we take d4 of x and so on, that is the spanning set of x square, means x square, its derivative will be 2x, then further its derivative will be 2, and further derivative will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is same as the spanning set of x square, 2x and 2. We can also write is the spanning set of x square, x and y. This is the whole vector space V, that is P2R. Polynomial space, the vector space P2R is d-cyclic subspace of itself. T is a linear operator on an n-dimensional vector space. If T is a linear operator on an n-dimensional vector space V, such that V is t-cyclic subspace of itself, then we have to show the characteristic polynomial Ft and the minimal polynomial Pt have the same degree, and hence they can be written in this form. F of t can be written in the form of minus 1 to the power n into Pt. it is also given that V is T cyclic subspace. V is T cyclic subspace of itself. ठीक है, this implies T cyclic subspace of itself. This implies there exists a non-zero vector x belonging to the vector space V, such that V can be written in the form of spanning set of x, T of x, T square x, and so on. But it is given that the dimension of the vector space V is n. The basis for V will be x, T of x, T square x up to, because n dimensional vector space given है, so it will be up to Tn minus 1 of x. Gt is a0 plus a1t plus ak t की power k. So this is the polynomial. And also further we assume that ak is non-zero, so its degree is k. So the degree of gt is k, and I am further assuming that k is strictly less than n. T of x will be a0 plus a1 capital T plus ak capital T to the power k of x. And here is the identity operator. So this is a0 x plus a1 t of x plus ak t की power k of x. So we have written gt as a linear combination of the basis element x. This is because k is strictly less than n. So it can be n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on. So at least one non-zero coefficient, namely ak. Claim करना है. We want to claim that gt is not equal to t0. We want to claim that g of t is not equal to t0. If g of t is t0, it is 0, then this implies gt of any vector x, that will be t0 of x, and t0 is 0 operator, which is 0. This implies this is 0. a0 of x plus a1 t of x plus ak t की power k of x, and that will be 0. But it is given that beta is linearly independent because beta is a basis. So this is linearly independent because k is less than n, strictly less than n, so it can be n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on. So this is a subset of basis element beta, and beta is linearly independent. अगर आपके पास बड़ा सेट linearly independent है और कोई छोटा सेट है उसके अंदर, फॉर एग्जांपल ये एस, अगर एस एक सेट है, टी एक सबसेट है, ये linearly independent होता है बड़ा सेट, तो टी भी linearly independent होता है. तो ये लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट है, तो ये अभी आपका लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट होता है. लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट है, इसका मतलब इसका लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन इज जीरो, implies all the coefficient are zero, implies all coefficient are zero, ai is zero for every I, but ak is non-zero, but ak तो आपका non-zero है. So this is a contradiction. So g of t equal to t0 cannot be possible. So this implies g of t is not equal to t0. हम कर दिया कि अगर k डिग्री का है, k is less than n, then it cannot be possible. g of t is not equal to t0, because अगर मिनिमल पॉलिनोमियल होता है, pt is a minimal polynomial, then it satisfies t of t equal to t0. और मैंने यहाँ पे शो किया कि अगर k डिग्री का पॉलिनोमियल है, लेस देन n है, then it cannot be a minimal polynomial, because minimal polynomial satisfies this condition. K implies this cannot be a minimal polynomial. This implies gt cannot be a minimal polynomial. Cannot be a minimal polynomial. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, k अगर लेस देन n है तो मिनिमल पोलिनोमियल नहीं हो सकता. इसका मतलब कि जो डिग्री है ऑफ द मिनिमल पोलिनोमियल gt, दैट हैज टू बी n. ऑपरेटर उन्हें n डायमेंशन